Good morning, everyone. So today, let us revise again what we had actually talked about this particular wave. Now, before I take up this class, understand one important topic. We are discussing sound. We are discussing sound. So sound is an energy, and this energy need to come to me, and it is going to follow a path. So when we are saying that sound is an energy and it will come to me, it will come in the form of a wave. So now when the whole thing is coming to what is wave, to understand with a diagram, I can explain this, that wave is like this and this. The ups and the downs. When my voice is not working, I am not saying anything, that is the mean position. This mean position word, if you remember, you have understood it in oscillation, because when a pendulum is hanging, this particular position is the mean position. And when we take it to that one extreme corner, this is the extreme position. So mean position, then extreme position. Very same way, since we are saying vibrations produces the sound, हम बार बार इस चीज को बोल रहे हैं, तो वाइब्रेशन सब हो रही है, how to represent it diagrammatically. Diagrammatically हम उस चीज को ऐसे represent करेंगे. This is the displacement. This is the place where it is moving. It is heading towards this side. This is propagation. This is displacement. Two things: displacement and propagation. And this is the diagrammatic representation of how the wave is produced and wave travels. The vibration is traveling. And this is how the sound is going to happen. Now, when we are talking about this particular diagram, you must understand the characteristics of sound. It has four things, four major things. Number one, the frequency, the wavelength, the amplitude, and the time period. So we are going to discuss all these 4 points here. Now, this is my mean position. My wave, how much I am using, how high I am using my voice will be the wave amplitude. How high is my voice? So when my mean position से जितना particle disturbed होगा, that is called the amplitude. So how high it goes, it is the amplitude. Then it comes down, it takes a deeper thing. This particular thing is called trough. This is called crest, trough. And how high it goes is called the amplitude. And the distance between two crests is called wavelength. एक पहाड़ी और दूसरी पहाड़ी के बीच का सेंटर पोजीशन लेंगे, इसका distance will be called the wavelength. So dear students, when we are saying again and again that sound is nothing but vibrations, vibrations are fast oscillations, so सब कुछ related है एक दूसरे से. तो जब ये words आ रहे हैं, so you must understand how we are going to diagrammatically represent this wave. Wave को represent करने के लिए we take this particular diagram where this is the displacement line and this is the mean position line. This is a kind of transverse wave because here every particle is moving 90 degrees up and down. So this is called crest, this is called trough, this is again a crest, again a trough, again a crest, again a trough, and so on. It moves like this. This is a propagation. The distance between two crests is called the wavelength. The distance between two crests are called the wavelength. Same ways, if you are not considering the crest, you can consider the length between the two troughs also. One and the same thing. आप crest का distance ले लो, या आपके पास trough का distance आ रहा है, तो उसको आप wavelength को note कर लो. Now what happens? Since it is a length, so its unit is measured in meters or centimeters because it is a length, right? So we have discussed how high it goes, how high the sound is going. It is called the amplitude. The second character, how high the sound is going, it is called amplitude. And the very important section is the frequency. Frequency is the number of waves in 1 second. Number of waves in 1 second. So if we are going to show it diagrammatically, so you are going to show it like this. This is high pitch and this is low pitch. So in 1 second I have got only 3 wave cycles. Here I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a high pitch sound. This is a low pitch sound. Low pitch, high pitch. So when somebody is having, so this is deep voice, right? This is deep voice and this is a low pitch voice. And someone is shouting like a girl shouting, so this is a high pitch sound. High pitch sound is also referred as shrilled sound, but that's somewhat looking like a shrilled sound. We are using this terminology. And very important, there is a loud sound and a soft sound. Again, we are going to represent it through a wave-like diagram, and this diagram is this way. The loud sound where the amplitude will increase and a soft sound where the amplitude will be less. So, hello, soft sound, soft sound. Hello, this is a loud sound. So high pitch is number of, pitch means it is related to frequency, number of wave cycles in 1 second. 1 second, high pitch. अगर ज़्यादा आपके पास crest and trows आ रहे हैं और अगर low pitch है तो उसके पास crest and trows कम आएंगे. Loud, when the amplitude, it is now related to sound. अगर loud है soft है तो वो आएगा amplitude से related होगा. There is a relationship, right? So understand that relationship. So let's wind up the whole story again. We talked about what is sound. Sound is an energy. How it comes to us? It comes in the form of waves. What is a wave? How to represent this wave? The representation is very simple with a diagram. To understand a diagram, उसका हमें left right corner पता होना चाहिए. This is the displacement. This is the mean position. This is a wave. It is coming from this side to this side. This is the propagation. Then this is the wavelength. How high the wave crest is. This is one crest. I have labeled it also. This is a crest. This is a trough. This is the mean position. How high? This is the amplitude. The distance between two crests is called wavelength. Or distance between the two troughs is the wavelength. What is frequency? Number of waves in 1 second. And the unit, SI unit for frequency is Hertz. Hertz. So what is frequency? Frequency of a vibration, you can say. Frequency of a sound or wave, you can say. Total number of complete vibrations. Total number of complete vibrations by the vibrating object in 1 second. You have to check your watch. 1 second, how many waves? What is the SI unit? 10 Hertz. So if we say that a frequency of a person is, if my wave cycle is 50 wave cycles, then my frequency will be 50 Hertz. Frequency and time period, they are reciprocal to each other. This is another formula. You can understand how deep and deep voice. Deep voice means deep voice. That is up. अच्छा एक डीप वॉइस होगा जिसमें आप बोलोगे दैट इज हैविंग अ लो पिच, डीप वॉइस. श्रिल्ड वॉइस व्हेन यू आर हैविंग अ हाई पिच. जो लाउड वॉइस होती है, जो लाउड साउंड्स होंगी, आप उसको बहुत दूर तक सुन सकते हो. जो सॉफ्ट साउंड हो सकती है उसको हम सिर्फ कान में बुदबुदाते हैं. वी जस्ट विस्पर इट आउट, राइट? तो देयर इज अ 2 टाइप ऑफ साउंड्स. कंपैरिजन. If somebody asks you, beta, what is the difference between the loud sound and the soft sound? You will say loud sound, I can hear it for large distances. Soft sound, I cannot hear it. It's a gentle sound. I can just hear it to a small range from ear to ear, right? So that is soft sound. So in short, we have talked about the wave frequency, wavelength, amplitude, time period. These 4 definitions should be clear. The diagram should be very nicely done, and that will complete your 1 section. What is a wave? What are the parts of it? And how sound is traveling in the form of a wave. Thank you, class.